Now, I will explain the ideal conditions for optimum performance, maintenance, and troubleshootings of analytical balance. 1. Use an anti-vibration table to stabilize the balance. 2. Level the balance using the leg ferrule adjusters and built-in spirit level. 3. Warm up the analytical balance for at least 30 minutes daily before use. 4. Calibrate the balance internally after warming up. 5. Keep the balance away from dusty areas to prevent damage. 6. Do not exceed the maximum weight capacity. 7. Minimize movement of the balance between locations. 8. Maintain humidity levels between 40% to 60%, with a maximum change of plus or minus 10% per 4 hours. 9. Operate within a temperature range of plus 15 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Recommended temperature is 23 degrees Celsius plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius for optimal performance. 10. Ensure ambient temperature changes do not exceed plus or minus 0.7 degrees Celsius per hour during measurements. 11. Minimize vibrations from generators, refrigerators, ventilation systems, and other equipment. 12. Use a stabilizer for stable to 20 volts power supply. 13. Direct air conditioner airflow away from the balance to prevent internal moisture. 14. For weighing, place materials on the weighing pan very slowly and close the glass windshield gently. 15. Keep magnetic items far away from the balance to avoid measurement interference. 16. Place the sample in the center of the weighing pan for the most accurate results. 17. Static electricity can cause unstable results. Discharge the sample and container with an ionizer before weighing. 18. Use anti-static weighing containers. Metal is ideal to prevent static charges affecting measurements. 19. Avoid rubbing containers. Use a metal dish with an edge to shield electric fields. 20. Below minimum weight, measurement uncertainty is larger than required accuracy. Use certified E2 class weights for testing. 21. Warm up weights before use and ensure hot or warm samples cool to room temperature before weighing. 22. Hygroscopic samples should be weighed quickly with balance doors closed to prevent moisture absorption. 23. Clean the analytical balance with a non-abrasive, lint-free microfiber towel inside the weighing chamber. 24. Use a dust cover when the balance is not in use to maintain reliability and accuracy. 25. Ensure proper earthing for the balance to prevent electrical interference. Thank you.